no one could tell because it's just that good. If you want to remove an X, which I have done too, but sometimes you just want to spice up your look, you know? Maybe I should get my nails done. Look, it's already transforming them. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Olivia. I'm a content creation intern at Picsart, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit all of your Instagram pictures with Picsart. I'm a huge Instagram girly. I love Instagram. I edit all of my pictures on Picsart, and there's a couple ways that I go about it. The first thing I'm going to be talking about is anything that has to do with Digicam and film filters. I really love this trend. I've talked a little bit about this before, so I'm going to show you guys how I went from this to this. I'm going to take this photo, for example. As you can see, there's a couple different things that we can fix. Number one, there's a bunch of random splotches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the remove filter and I'm just going to go over these. Also, you can see my vacuum in the back, and that's not the vibe we're going for. Click remove and boom. Blank background, grayed canvas, we're good. Now I'm gonna go into effects. I go into simple. I like to use natural too. I just feel like it brightens the picture the perfect amount. And then I'm gonna go into adjust. Brighten it up a little bit. These are kind of like fine-tuning the details. I might go into effects again and go into FX this time and choose a film filter. I really like film too, but what I'm gonna do is turn down the blur, maybe bump up the noise a little bit, and then fade, because I don't love that purple hue too much. You can always like adjust and readjust depending on your liking, which I really love. I think I'm gonna add natural 3 just because I like that kind of look that it adds, but I'm gonna only do around 75%. You can really play around and add filters on top of filters, which I also really like. It makes it customizable, but I think that this is a really good result, so I'm gonna click save. And as you can see, we clearly transformed my photo from something a little bit boring with a bunch of weird splotches to the perfect film Digicam photo. The next thing I use a lot on my Instagram pictures is touching up my makeup. You know, sometimes you're just having a rough day and you don't look that great. Makeup can wear off, but with Picsart, I always go into the makeup tool and do a little touch up. You can also create a whole new makeup look if you want. It's really great. So I'm going to show you guys several ways to do this. What you're going to do is go into retouch and then go to the makeup tool. As you can see, I kind of want to add a little bit of a bolder lip color. So what I'm going to do is, I really like this one. I'll add a little bit of blush too. I really like the freckles. I know that freckles were a really big beauty trend in 2023, and I think it'll still be a big trend in 2024. So I'm going to add some freckles. You can add lashes in the makeup tool, but I'm going to show you guys another way to add them, which is a really great hack. If you're not that great at mascara, if you don't want to pay for lash extensions, this is a perfect hack for you. We're going to go into stickers and type in lashes. Adjust it to your eye shape. So I'm going to go like this. And then you can tone it down a little bit just so that it blends in better. I have lash extensions, but before I got them, I used to do this all the time and no one could tell because it's just that good. This is such a cute makeup look, guys. If you're like me and you don't feel like reapplying your makeup throughout the day, but you want to take a cute selfie because you're feeling good about yourself, this is a perfect hack for you. And now you're ready to upload the cutest selfies on Instagram. I'm going to talk about a couple different tools with this one. Whether you want to remove something on the floor, for example, this bag, or if you want to remove an X, which I have done too. Just zoom in, boom, boom, boom. And there you go. You really can't tell. The next thing I'm going to do is go back into stickers again, and I'm going to add some fake nails. I've seen a lot of you guys on social media do this, and I'm glad I'm not the only one. Look, I'd love to be able to pay for nails every single month, but they get expensive, girl, okay? I'm gonna just type in nails and look for the one that I like. I'm gonna go with this marble blue color, and all you gotta do is just apply to your nail. And this is a perfect lazy girl hack if you're like me, because honestly, like, I can't be bothered to do my nails. I can't be bothered to go to the salon and get them done. But sometimes you just want to spice up your look, you know? Look, it's already transforming them. Maybe I should get my nails done. Look how cute. Don't forget the other hand, because I did that once. Fun fact, I actually made a tutorial for this on our TikTok, which if you don't follow us at Picsart, you know what to do. And I forgot to add nails to the other hand, and everybody wanted to remind me in the comments. Ha ha ha. So I'm not forgetting today, guys. Don't worry. Like, I could honestly do this all day. All day. Boom. There you go. Let's add a filter to it. Y'all already know I'm gonna go natural too, duh. Now, if you want to go a little bit more of an artistic route, I'm gonna show you guys this really cool hack. Go into effects and go into blur. We're gonna do radical blur, which kind of gives you this sort of like circle blur effect, as you can see, but we're gonna tone it down a little bit, just enough. And then I'm gonna use the erase tool and go over myself just so that I'm standing out, but everything else in the background is blurry. Now the photo is just so much more artistic, really cool. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We upload new videos every single Monday, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure to follow us on all of our other social media accounts at Picsart to stay updated on all the latest trends and tutorials. Bye guys!